Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing the current connection speed in the status bar of Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Notifications and Control Center. From the Control Center section, select Status Bar. Here in Status Bar Settings, there is an option called Show Connection Speed. Enable that toggle to turn it on. Your current internet speed will now show in the top left status bar. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.